guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Kayla Marin. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and support your girl. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at KaylaXMarin. I'm going to be dropping a Q&A very soon, so make sure you go ahead and follow me on that. So when I put the poll up, you can ask as many questions as you want and I will be able to answer them in my next upcoming video. Anyway, you guys, happy new year. I hope everyone had a fun and safe new year. With the new year comes new goals, new aspirations, new things you want to accomplish. And with that being said, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be creating my 2021 vision board. I love vision boards because I believe it is a physical daily reminder of all your goals and all your aspirations, everything that you want to accomplish within the year. Especially when you're in a funk and you lost all your motivation, you can just look at it and be like, okay, I need to get back to track. I need to do what I got to do to accomplish these goals within this year. So if you want to see how I created my vision board, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so before you actually start to physically create your vision board, the first thing you want to do is sit down and really think about the goals that you want to accomplish within the new year. Whether you want a car, you want an apartment, you want to be closer with God, whatever it is, you're going to go ahead and either write it down or make a mental note of it. Then when you feel like you have all your goals written down, you're going to go ahead and go on Google and search photos that you believe align with those goals. So as you can see here, I'm just scrolling through Google and finding whatever pictures I like and whatever pictures I think fits best with my goals for 2021. When you are writing down your goals and looking up pictures, you want to be very specific about what you want. For example, if you want a car, what color car do you want? What model do you want? If you want a new job, what kind of job do you want? If you want to grow on social media, how many followers do you want by the end of the year? This doesn't only help with motivation, but having a clear, defined goal is way easier to track your progress, and it will allow you to be more clear on what you need to do to actually obtain that goal by the end of the year. I actually went ahead and went through these magazines that I had just to see if I found anything that I liked. You don't only have to use Google. You can also go through some magazines or even go to social media and see if there's anything that you find interesting. After I decided what pictures I was going to use, I went ahead and printed them out. And then as you can see here, I'm just cutting them out so that they will fit on my vision board. Once you're done cutting out the pictures, you're going to begin gluing them to the Bristol paper. I actually had to measure and cut my Bristol paper to fit my picture frame that I'm going to be putting my vision board into. I got both the Bristol paper and the picture frame from Target. The last step here is just taking your Bristol paper and putting it right into the frame, and boom, your girl is done creating her 2021 vision board. Alright guys, so this is my 2021 vision board. I put it in this frame from Target because I didn't want it to get messed up, and I absolutely love the size. I didn't want it to be too big or too small, and I think this is perfect. I wasn't able to add everything I wanted, but I added mostly the most important things to me. So as you can see, everything is very self-explanatory. I have my YouTube goals, my Instagram goals, and overall some goals that I have for myself. I have this quote up here that I absolutely love, and it says, everything will be okay. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare, but that's just a reminder that everything will be fine. Like, take a deep breath and relax. Like, 2021 is going to be your year. No matter what happened in 2020, what will happen in 2021, just remember to keep your eye on the goal. And this is my goal right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ideas for me to add anything onto my vision board, you can go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and share it with your friends, especially if you have little vision board parties. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.